Hello friends, welcome to online stock trading technology. We at OSTT have introduced a smart trading technique which will help you to take trades confidently and with much less errors you can have more profits. You can just check up with you if you are doing correct trading or not by considering the following questions. That is, are you confused and do not know how to do day trading professionally? Are you not making consistent profits as a day trader? Do you book profits early and hold on to your loss trades? Are you unable to distinguish whether a breakout or breakdown is real or false? Do you have enough conviction to take a trade? Are you unable to manage leverage? Do not know what quantity to trade? Do not know when to buy or sell option trades? Do not know how to enter, put a stop loss and fix a target? Do not know when to buy or sell? Is your one bad trade taking all the profits made from the series of trades? If your answer is yes to many of above, then you are eligible to join our volume flow analysis, that is VFA course. The details are as below. VFA technique allows you to know the bull and the bear in each candle to know whether the trend continues or is losing momentum. That is, if you take a trade and if it is in a trend, then you will have to know how far it could go or how far it could fall this way. That is for long side as well as short side. And the momentum of that also you will have to identify, which is not possible in price action. Know who is carrying the momentum and in which direction so as to know whether it continues or reverses. So if you know up to what level this momentum takes in long or in short trades, then it reverses, you will be able to take a good profit. Know where is the smart money being put. That is, who are putting, whether the bulls or the bears are putting more money at a given point of time to make a profit from the right trade. Learn the science of volume flow trading strategies for right entry, target, and stop loss. So you have to enter at the right time and you can see the target almost up to what level you could go and the stop loss where to put. So based on this VFA, we can make good profit, which will be told in details as below. Get conviction to hold your trades through the science of volume flow analysis. Volume flow analysis gives a data where you can have trades and have a conviction to hold on to the trade till it reverses. Track the behavior of aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers to know whether it is good trade. So there are aggressive buyers and sellers, which we will know very shortly in the next slide. So knowing them, you can just hold on to the trade and make good profit. Track the areas of high liquidity and low liquidity to know whether it is sideways or trend market. So low liquid markets, it will be sideways market. So where there is not much trend. So you can just identify this and do not take the trade at these levels. Measure the confidence of buyers and sellers at different time frames to know when volatile movements can happen. You can have a different time frames and make out whether good volume of aggressive buyers or aggressive sellers are coming there, so that you can piggyback them and then take the trade and make good profit. Learn how to use the technique of order flow to get an edge in day trading. You can always have an edge over others after taking a trade So whether you will be having a good profit or not, you can know by VFA analysis. See here, false and real breakouts has to be identified. This is if you take the support and resistance of a particular trend. This was in downtrend here, and in uh, in a triangular fashion, the trend is falling down. So you can see up to this level it went, again it came down, and again up to this level it went, again it came down. So you should know whether it will stick to this support and resistance till here. So how do you know that it will not go this way or this way? By doing this volume flow analysis VFA. Similarly, this for breakout, so you can at this support level you can see 1, 2, and 3 levels. It has touched this support and has gone up to this level, which is a resistance, and it has broken out over here. How do you make out this point is a positive breakout point? This can be achieved by knowing the volume flow analysis technique. So this will know in detail. So volume flow analysis is a very good technique where you can just take the trade confidently. See, in market depth, if you go for in a watch list, if you go and then click onto the market depth, you will get this data. So what is this data? You will have this side quantity and orders and buyers. That is, these are all called ask rate. That is, these people are asking. That is, they are giving the prices for buyers to buy. They are sellers. They are all sellers. Sellers are here. Here, these bid side is called as the buyers. They are all bidding the prices for buying the stock at that particular some particular price. That is Nifty July example we have taken at 16,000 CE. See, these people are not real order executed people. See, these orders are not really executed. They are all limit orders which are here waiting for someone to match this price to be executed. These are all floating orders. They are not real orders. They are all, for example, people at this level of prices have put the orders at these prices in limit order, not the market order. And similarly, these people have put the order at these levels, which are sell order, not the market order. So you will don't get confused by seeing this volume, total volume over here or here, which gives you an impression that total number of buyers are here, 93,950 for this side, and total number of sellers of 1,16,000. So you will go at the sell side. No, this is not the way. Similarly, it is for stocks also. This is not the way to analyze, because these people are not real, uh, you know, buyers or sellers. So you will have to depend on what then. So for this, we consider VFO. What is VFO? Volume flow analysis considers only executed orders. That is, all the executed orders which are executed. That is, market orders, not the limit orders. When limit buy order gets matched with the market sell order, then the order gets executed. That is, limit, for example, in the market depth, what we have seen here and the earlier example, if the bidders are being matched by aggressive market order, then the market order is executed for buyer. Similarly, when the limit sell order gets matched with a market buy order, then the order gets executed. That is sell order. So a limit order always has to be matched with a market order. Then only the order gets executed, and it will show in the order book, and then only the total the price movement will happen, but not by these orders which are open, as I shown you the example. So market buyers are aggressive buyers and market sellers are aggressive sellers. So we'll have to see the movement and volume of these market buyers and sellers to identify the number of orders in a at a particular point of time. See, for example, in a candle, see, for if it is a 5 minutes candle, you will have a typical candlestick candle like this. So you do not know at each level, at these levels, what is the volume. You might know the total volume over here by volume chart. That is, it gives some indication, red or green, varying at the you know at a time. So, but it will not give exactly how much it is being bought or sold at different levels. Say, for example, at this level, and this level, whether bulls are stronger or bears are stronger at different levels. If you know the volume of these orders in these levels, then you can decide whether to be in trade or to exit the trade. So this is very important to analyze and then be in the trade as long as these trends are either towards bullish side or bearish side, and then exit when it reverses. So volume flow analysis is very important for a trader to know. To know more about this, see, now VFA helps a trader in understanding what actually the aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers in the market are hitting and the market orders are doing. So market orders are important for an aggressive buyer and aggressive seller and a trader to be active in the market. So if you know and understand where these aggressive sellers and buyers are putting their money, then you can say whether to be in the trade or not. VFA will decode the hidden details of traded volume into buyers and sellers volume based on the market orders punched by the traders. So this analysis, VFA analysis, will tell you, as I explained earlier, the volume in a particular candle as to how many buyers and sellers are active buyers, that is aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers are there. Those orders will get to be shown on the chart. Then only you can understand what exactly these people are doing. Then you can decide whether to be in the trade or continue to be in the trade or to exit. In a candle, volume buyers and sellers are there. We need to know the details like aggressive buyers and sellers in slices on time selected to know who is stronger there. That is what I have explained. In a candle, you will have to know at different levels who are the buyers and who are the sellers. For example, up to this level, buyers could be there, and from here, some sellers, more number of sellers will come, and after some time in the same candle, some buyers again will come, or more buyers will come over here, and it will become green or whatever. To know it beforehand itself, you will have to analyze this data and decide whether to be in this trade or not at a particular level, or for a particular next candle you can decide whether to be there in this trade or not. It can powerfully be used as confirmation tool. It can be taken as a confirmation tool only, and to volume to understand the strength of aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers in the given volume, as I have explained. Learn more on VFA course structure. We have a detailed course on this VFA structure where basic and advanced concepts of VFA is taught. We'll also teach you which software and websites to be used for analysis and trading setup, how to use trading setup using VFA, how to find real and fake breakouts, as I have explained. It breakout might be at support and resistance, it might be breaking out or breaking down. But whether it is a real or a fake breakout, or breakdown, you need to know. How to find rally moves in the market. So how far this long or a short trade, if it is in trend, it will go, that rally. So that can also be known. How to do scalping using UFA? If it's scalping, slight trend is there or in the sideways also, scalping you can do using this UFA technique. Setting target and stop loss using VFA also can be achieved. How to combine VFA with price action also will be taught. So it is a comprehensive study and detailed information on this VFA, so which you will understand and then execute based on your current price action, whatever is there. You can detailedly, you can just see this concept and then you can decide whether to be in trade or not. The course details are as below. This is a 5-day course, 11 a.m. to 12 noon or 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. every alternate day in a week, and starting from Monday. So every week there will be classes. So 3 to 5 classes would be there. That means 5 working days, alternate days we will take up. So for fee structure and other things, all interested candidates can call up or contact us, and then we'll give you the details. The contact details are over here. We have a website also. For other details of our teaching, you can just go through that, and you can email us also at this email ID. You can WhatsApp or call at this number also. Hope this would be useful for you, and look forward to receiving your calls or WhatsApp or emails for further details. Thank you.